Welcome to Mad Mike's Comics. I'm Mad Mike. Got some unboxings to do. Got a few things in the mail I've been saving up for the last few days. Let's open them up and see what I got. Excited. Always love this. Always feels like Christmas morning. I think I know what this is. This is an original art piece I got on Economics and Comics from Sin Potter. He was doing art on there, and he did this for me. Watercolors. Beautiful. Thanks, Sin. I appreciate it. Another piece of original art. Beautiful Thor. Next, this was from Big Will. Won it in his auction. What we got going on here? Wolverine. I haven't owned this since the 80s when I bought one off the rack. Been wanting one for a long time. Thanks, Big Will. And thanks, Big Will, for a little extra. I appreciate it. Thanks. See what we got in here. Package good. Ooh, it's a slab. What do we have here? This is Money Shot #1 from Exchange Collectibles. So I ordered it, had them slab it and send it to me. Beautiful. Another box. Let's see what we got going. Box in a box. Good packaging. This, I believe, was an eBay purchase. Something I missed out on and I wanted it. Wow, really good packaging. Look at my knife. Wow. Venom #3, 9.8. I think Noel character will be around the Marvel Universe for a while, so I needed one of these. I did miss it when it came out. My fault, but I got a 9.8. Last but not least, I got something from 36 Chambers, some more original art. Let's check this out and see what it's like. Can't wait. Been collecting some original art lately. I never had any before. I really love it. Lost my knife somewhere. Here we go. A little note. Mike, thanks for purchasing the sketch cover for me. I really appreciate the support. Hope you enjoy it. What I came up for you. Yeah, I told him to do what he wanted to. Told him what cover I wanted, but I said it's all yours. So it'll be really interesting to see what he came up with. Here we go. Original art. 36 Chambers tattoo. Badass Hulk, man. Love it. Ooh, what else? Sent me a Deadpool along with it. I like that. What else is in here? What is this? Sent me a Deadpool's Art of War. Thanks, 36 Chamber, for the extras. I appreciate it. Well, that's it. That's my unboxing for today. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I'll see you guys later from Mad Mike's Comics. Take it easy.